Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of 1000 daily jumping jacks, a fitness challenge that can transform your body and mind. In this video, we'll reveal the amazing physical and mental perks of taking on the 1000 jumping jack challenge. You won't believe what's possible when you get moving. So, watch this video till the end to discover the science behind this energetic endeavor. It will be interesting. So let's get started. First, improved agility. Agility is the ability to change direction quickly and with precision. Jumping jacks, which involve coordinated movement of both the upper and lower body, help improve your agility. Regularly practicing jumping jacks can enhance your quickness and responsiveness, making it valuable for athletes participating in sports that require sudden changes in direction, or individuals aiming to enhance their agility in daily activities. Increased bone density in younger individuals. For adolescents and teenagers, the years of growth are a crucial time to establish strong bone density. High-impact exercises like jumping jacks can stimulate bone growth and mineralization, making bones denser and stronger. This can have lasting effects on long-term bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures later in life. Improved endurance. Endurance is the ability to sustain physical effort for an extended period. Performing a high volume of jumping jacks on a regular basis can significantly increase your endurance. The repetitive, high-intensity nature of jumping jacks challenges your cardiovascular and muscular systems, pushing your body to adapt and improve its stamina. Enhanced endurance is beneficial for various physical activities, from daily tasks to sports and long-distance running. Better blood sugar regulation. Jumping jacks are a high-intensity exercise that can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more effective at using insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially beneficial for individuals at risk of or managing diabetes, as it can contribute to better blood sugar control and reduce the reliance on medication or insulin injections. Enhanced metabolic rate. Regularly incorporating 1000 jumping jacks into your routine can increase your resting metabolic rate. This is the rate at which your body burns calories at rest. With a higher resting metabolic rate, you burn more calories even when you're not exercising, which can be advantageous for weight management and maintaining a healthy body composition. Enhanced lung capacity. Jumping jacks involve rapid and coordinated movements of the arms and legs while requiring deep and rhythmic breathing. This deep breathing pattern can lead to improved lung capacity over time. Your lungs become more efficient at taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. This enhanced lung capacity and respiratory function can be particularly advantageous for athletes and individuals looking to boost their endurance and overall physical performance. Better sleep. High-intensity exercise like 1000 jumping jacks can positively impact your sleep quality. This level of physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep throughout the night. Regular exercise has been linked to improved sleep patterns, making it a valuable tool for individuals dealing with sleep disturbances or insomnia. Enhanced detoxification. The increased circulation and deeper breathing during jumping jacks support the body's natural detoxification processes. This involves the removal of waste products and toxins from your body, promoting overall well-being and reducing the risk of health issues related to toxin buildup. Tips for safely incorporating 1000 jumping jacks, host. Now, for those who are considering taking on this challenge, here are some tips to do it safely. Number 1. Gradual progression. Start with a lower number and gradually work your way up to 1000 jumping jacks to allow your body to adapt. Number 2. Proper form. Focus on maintaining proper form to reduce the risk of injury. Keep your movements controlled and precise. Number 3. Rest and recovery. Ensure you're allowing your body enough time for rest and recovery between sessions to prevent overuse injuries. Number 4. Cross-training. Include variety in your workout routine to prevent overuse injuries and keep your fitness routine engaging. In conclusion, doing 1000 jumping jacks a day can have both positive and negative effects on your body. It's essential to be mindful of your fitness level, use proper form, and listen to your body. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a fitness professional or a healthcare provider before embarking on a new and intense exercise regimen. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are on their fitness journey. If you want to share your experiences with us, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, stay healthy and stay active. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.